What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I want to show you how you can make money online for free, just with YouTube and Google AdSense. And basically, even if you don't want to make videos, but if you go with not making videos, you're gonna have to spend a little money for your videos. But I'm gonna show you a couple things where it's no competition with this. I was searching around and this is a keyword right here, roller coaster, and this keyword gets like 450,000 searches. And what you could do with this, you could go to like amusement parks and just record videos of the roller coaster and start a YouTube page, and put your name and roller coasters, or just do roller coaster, whatever name of that channel, and go out to different amusement parks and record the roller coasters going around, and people are searching for this. You can see the search volume is 450,000. That you could go out. You could just go out and make a 3 to 5 minute video, or you could just record like hours of this roller coasters, and then just come home and break them down, and make maybe like 20 videos out of all the footage that you had, and edit it and do 3 to 5 minute videos and upload them all onto your channel. And people, if you do your keyword research, you'll be able to tap into this traffic, and people come and search for these videos, and they'll sit back and watch these videos. And basically with YouTube, you have to get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. But with this amount of traffic, you're gonna get the subscribers. You're definitely gonna get the watch time, because this is like a niche that people are searching for. Let's see. We're gonna check into some other. Try to give you some ideas, and then planes. Oh shoot, I spelled it wrong. Planes landing. Plane. No, I'll do this. Taking off and land. And people, this is another. Traffic not that big, but people are fanatics for this keyword. But people are going or watching the video. You can see, I think this video, it has like millions of views, but the search volume is only 1,000. But like, people really sit back and watch this stuff. That's another niche. No competition. And it's a guy that has a channel. He's doing like 80 grand a month off of planes taking off and landing. you can see, look, here's another niche, motivation. There's another niche, toys for kids. Another niche, wealth, 135,000. But people want to know how to make money. And and people looking for stuff like this. People want what else is it out here? People want to come out of debt. But that's another niche, debt. People are looking for ways to come out of debt. So people gets a lot of searches, get out of debt. A lot of people trying to figure out, want to come out of debt. Then you got let me see what else they got out there. Relationships, health, wealth, and relationships. No competition there. That gets over 500,000 searches. It's crazy. All these different niches. It's no excuse for you not to be out here making money. You know what I'm saying? It's easy. YouTube, you can make bank off of this stuff. Look, no competition. You can come over here to follow. You see this? I will create personal whiteboard explainer animation video. It's gonna cost a little bit of money, but if you can get these videos, they make bank. These videos make bank, and you can see they do background imagery, background music. The cheapest one, they do. They don't do the voiceover, but believe it or not, you probably wouldn't even need the voiceover if you they just sit back and watch this, because the video is gonna be entertaining, and people are big on entertainment. But this is a way you can take a couple dollars, start the channel, and come over here, get 10 videos for about $150. If not, you can just start out one video here, do one video a week. Just come here, spend $15 and get it done and then once your channel starts making money, then you can come over here. You never have to put your face in a video or even talk on the video. Come over here, let them do all the work, and you reap the benefits. Once you get your 4,000 hours and your subscribers, then you can monetize your channel. But once you get your channel straight and you start bringing in some revenue, bringing in money, this is what I want you to do. I want you to go start a company, LLC or corporation, because once this channel gets big enough and you start bringing in money, you don't want none of this money hit a personal account. You want this money to go into a business account, and then you pay yourself a salary through your business account. You don't want to be, because if your channel, like say your channel it ends up doing $1 million a year, and you put that in a regular account, you only gonna see, you're not even gonna see most of that money because taxes is gonna kill it. But if you run that money through a company, you'll get 14 deductions. So if you decide to do this, I've been busy today, so but I was like, it's 12. I think it's like 12. It's 1 in the morning. I thought it was 12, but I want to put this video out. This is something you can do. You don't If you don't want to be on video, you come over here to find you somebody to do whiteboard videos because people like entertainment, and your channel could have all whiteboard videos. You never have to be on video or camera or nothing, and you can make bank just like that off of somebody else doing the work for you, and you just uploading the video. That's it, and you just find yourself a niche, and that's it. I hope you got some value. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be putting out more videos like this. And soon this channel is gonna make a change. I probably won't be doing videos as much. I'm looking into this, doing this whiteboard outsourcing and doing these whiteboard videos, and so I can focus on other stuff because like really I don't really have the time to be doing the videos like I used to. So, but I still want my channel to grow. So I will be, you will start seeing some whiteboard explainer videos on my channel when it comes to make money online and entrepreneurship. I will be, I will be getting these videos done and uploading them. So it will be a change on this channel. So, but I will still will be doing videos too, but mostly from here on out, it will be a lot more whiteboard videos, and I will be starting another channel because I'm looking at trying to find me a good niche, and the whole channel is gonna be nothing but whiteboard videos. I won't be in the picture at all, and I'm just gonna run whiteboard videos on that channel to create an income stream with YouTube. So if you got some value from this, leave a comment, like, subscribe, share this video with your friends because nobody should be broke in 2019. It's no excuse. I just gave you the blueprint to being on YouTube and not even being there. If you don't want to, you just find you a niche. I showed you a couple niches. Go ahead and take those niches and run with them. Like and subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. Peace.